Voicely. AI Note Taker is one of the most exciting AI tools to drop recently. If you're someone who's looking for a seamless, efficient way to capture important notes from meetings, podcasts, or interviews, this could be the game changer you've been waiting for. I'm about to share 7 crucial things you need to know before diving into this powerful software. Stick around, because at the end, I'll also share a free trial link so you can try it out for yourself. First off, Voicely's primary selling point is its ability to transcribe voice notes accurately and in real time. It uses AI to capture every word spoken, making it incredibly useful for anyone needing to keep track of lengthy conversations or lectures. Unlike traditional note-taking, it automatically pulls out the most important points, saving you time and effort. Plus, it supports multiple languages, so it's useful across global teams. Now, one of the standout features of Voicely is its simplicity. You don't need to be tech-savvy to start using it right away. The interface is clean, user-friendly, and intuitive. You can quickly upload your audio or start a new recording, and Voicely takes care of the rest. It automatically organizes your notes into categories, making it easy to retrieve specific sections when needed. This is a huge time saver for professionals or students who are always on the go. But what makes Voicely truly stand out is its ability to summarize notes for you. Imagine attending a 2-hour meeting, and by the time you're done, you have a concise summary that hits all the key points. It's perfect for people who don't have time to sift through long transcriptions. Voicely uses AI algorithms to pick out critical pieces of information and provide a digestible overview. You can even customize the level of detail based on your preferences. Security is always a concern with AI tools, and Voicely doesn't fall short in this area. Your data is encrypted, ensuring that your notes and audio files are secure. This is a feature that you'll want if you're dealing with sensitive information like client meetings or proprietary business data. Another cool feature is Voicely's ability to integrate with other productivity tools like Google Drive, Evernote, and even Slack. This means you can easily export your notes to where you need them without having to switch back and forth between apps. This integration adds a level of flexibility that can really enhance your workflow. Let's talk about customization for a second. Voicely allows you to set up personalized templates for your notes. Whether you're taking meeting notes, transcribing interviews, or summarizing podcasts, you can customize the format to your liking. This is perfect for professionals who need to maintain consistency in their note-taking process. One more point worth mentioning is the free trial. Voicely offers a no-strings-attached trial that lets you test out the software before making a commitment. So if you're wondering whether it's worth it, you have nothing to lose by giving it a try. I've tested thousands of AI tools over the years, and I can confidently say that this one is worth your attention. Now, here's the big reveal. If you're still watching, you can try Voicely for free right now by clicking the first link in the description below. But before you go, I've also linked my recommended AI tools that have helped streamline my workflow after testing thousands of AI softwares. Check them out and see which one works best for your needs. Remember, if you want to capture everything in your next meeting or brainstorming session without the hassle of manual note-taking, Voicely, AI Note Taker is definitely worth checking out.